Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray. Viewers, Getachew Rida said that Abiy Ahmed Ali, the war criminal and liar, trying to deceive the international community by saying military target. But when there is proof lying does not work, he only targeted grain harvest and industrial park in Mekelle, grain factory in Shire Almeida, textile factory in Edwa and Hoons. Abiy Ahmed Air Force did target a local hospital in Metesibri. They also targeted what little is left of Almeida textile in Edwa. The textile factory had been totally destroyed by Eritrean forces months ago. No military targets, of course. And viewers, the Ethiopian army is launching two raids on Tigray today. One on a factory and the other on a hospital. This means that the Ethiopian army adopted a method of burning the resources and elements of life in Tigray. And this is a dangerous matter. It seems that the Ethiopian army has a determination to starve Tigray by hitting factories and increasing disease by hitting hospitals. And viewers, shout out to the city administration for standing with the people and taking part in defending the city. A heavy war is going on in the second day in Dessie town, in the center of Volo region of Amhara region. The war is heavier than the previous war, and it is the one they will spread from the other parts. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
وتجيش نبي كمل لها حزبي عن تنا يبرحم دق دخل